friends. I hope you are having a wonderful week so far. This is going to be a short video. I am at home. I just finished shooting like 4 different looks for Wrapunzel. This is not the same day that I went to Wrapunzel, but I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling over the next couple months, so I am trying to make sure that I have all of my content already shot, already taken care of. Unfortunately, most of it is for upcoming launches that I cannot show you. If you did not see my short, or if you did not see on my Instagram, I did go up to Wrapunzel headquarters last week, which is the very first time that I had ever been there. We shot, I think, 6 different looks while I was up there. We had a busy day. But I am going to share with you, you are going to be the first to hear it here, that my purpose in going up there was actually not just to take photos, but rather it was to pick out items for the Sarah Rivka kit. It is coming. It is set to be released in the fall, and I'm very, very excited about it. So, as I said, you're the first to hear it right now. I can't show you it yet, but I'm very proud of it, and I hope that you love it as much as I do. I know I haven't made a video since the video about my sea glass kit. Incidentally, I know that that sold out. If you missed it, I think that they are going to try and bring it back early next year, so don't despair if you missed it. But yeah, I have so many new scarves in my possession now, and most of them I cannot show you because they are for upcoming releases. I also have the November birthstone kit in my possession, the Topaz birthstone kit. If you have been with me long enough, you may be aware that I am born in November. So they let me take that and model it, and it's really beautiful, and it also goes really, really well with the upcoming Sarah Rivka kit. So yeah, I'm so excited, and I can't wait to show you those things when they come. The other piece of news is that if you do not follow me on Instagram, I am approaching 10,000 followers on Instagram, which is a very exciting milestone for me, and Wrapunzel has very kindly agreed to sponsor a giveaway. So if you would like to be a part of that, if you would like to be eligible for that, please go follow me, follow Wrapunzel on Instagram. I am giving away a kit that I picked out. It is different than the Sarah Rivka kit. But it is something that I put together myself. It has at least one exclusive item in it, and yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So I know there are some really cool things coming out. So one of the things that got lost in the whole timing with my sea glass kit is that the shipment that I got from Wrapunzel that included that also had this beautiful purple perfection square in it, and before I could even post about this, it sold out. Basically, I didn't get a chance to make a video here on YouTube with it. And so unfortunately, this colorway is gone, but they just brought it back in 3 other colors, all of which are really, really pretty. This is a lightweight, I think it's completely cotton scarf. It doesn't have any sparkle on it, but it's really, really pretty. So if you saw this and you didn't get a chance to grab it, it's available now in 3 other colors. So definitely check that out. Yeah, I'm just gonna do like a little tutorial today using this, which came home with me. This is a Melody scarf. This is one of the multicolor ones. Yeah, because I can't show you this because the Melody scarves are on the website, and it's been a really long time since I did an actual tutorial on here. Like, it's been nutty. It's been nutty, my friends. So I have my Cloud9 shaper on. I am going to put this on somewhat unevenly and at an angle and tie it in a knot in the back. This is going to be a really great summer style as well. These scarves are very lightweight, and this is not going to leave anything dangling. So I am now, this is my longer end, I am going to bring it up at an angle like so. Straighten that out. And now I'm going to bring this scarf up as well. And I'm going to keep my long scarf here. The front of my V is going to stay in front. And I'm going to tie it in a knot. And then what's going to happen is that this that's coming out the front is going to then go back. And I think that this just creates such an interesting little sculptural look. I'm going to take the shorter ends here and just kind of tuck them under so that nothing is like hanging out. And then this is just going to get tucked in at the nape of my neck. There's practically nothing there. It is very easy to do. And then similarly, this scarf, I'm going to fluff out a little bit, take my shorter ends, fold that back, same reason, nice and neat. And then this end is also just going to come down and get tucked in the back, just like so. And it just creates this really pretty little knot. You can give it a little fluff. You can change how the stripes are showing. But yeah, I just think this is a really pretty way to wear one of these sari scarves that shows off all of the different colors. So here it is from the front, from the side, from the back, and the other side. And before I go, one final piece of news. I also now have a code with Wrapunzel. It is not a discount code. However, if you enter code Sarah Rivka, all one word, at checkout, you will get a free sticker with your order. So as I am posting this, I believe that a very nice sale will be coming up soon. Not that you heard it from me. But yeah, keep an eye on that. Use my code, use my affiliate links down below. I always appreciate all of your support. So that's a wrap for me. And until next time, thank you so much for watching.